My name is Kai Wolfram. I'm working for TUI. TUI is the largest tour operator and leisure company in the world, and I'm the head of analytics for TUI hotels and resorts. Well, the data warehouse is one of our most important systems, and it's our single source of truth. Before we were partnering with Matillion, just one of the hotel brands had something like a data warehouse, but just on-premise servers, not very detailed and special. So when we started, we want to create a centralized data warehouse across all hotel brands, and that's why we were searching for different partners and tools to accomplish that, and that's why we ended up with Matillion. We were looking for cloud-native solutions that enabled us to do some quick wins. So we didn't want to invest much time in schooling our resources and building and maintenance and everything. So we were able to start 5 minutes after we purchased the licenses. We were directly able to show results to our business. So with other competitor tools that we are also looking at, there would have been some time to start, to train the resources, to build up the servers, but within 1 or 2 days we were able to show the first results to the business. Before we started, the business wasn't able to answer questions that they wanted to, and now that they know that we have a good product in place, they are coming to us and we need this kind of data, can you give it to us? Maybe tomorrow. With other tools, the development cycle is rather long, so it takes weeks to attach new data sources to our data warehouse, to build complex logics. And with Matillion, with all the built-in features, with all the native technologies, we are able to deliver in less shorter time. So within a couple of hours we had our first jobs in test, and within a week we had production-like jobs running. It has so much built-in technology and functionalities that makes it just easier. It has pre-built-in connectors to most of our tools that we are using, whether it's Google Analytics, Salesforce. So you just use the connectors that are already there and you just start developing. By the end of 2020, we want to have all our systems in the cloud. Next for TUI and Matillion is to expand the usage of Matillion inside of TUI. Me speaking for hotels and resorts, we were the first ones adopting this technology, but there are other analytics departments inside of TUI. Working with Matillion has been very efficient, it's very scalable, and it's just fun to work with because it's so easy to use.